Hello, Namaste everyone. My name is Joseph Raj. I am a targeted individual from India. Lot of people are being torturing by remote neural monitoring, vast scale technology, gang stalking, 24/7 surveillance watching in India. We are common civilians from in India. I am from Andhra Pradesh state. I would like to introduce about some other people also as being like target individuals. Myself likes me. My name is Joseph Raj Betala, Uruf Raju Betala, and also I know few people as their target individuals. They mentioned their details. They sending their details to me for mention their details in my videos also. So they asked me. I also asked them. So we sharing our details each other. They are also doing the same things. So that's why I would like to tell about them also. Boban Skeria, age 45 years, son of MM Skeria, Kottayam district, Kerala. He is a MCA postgraduate. Since 2005, he is being targeted individual. He is from Kerala district, from South India. Next, Ankit Raj Goyal. He is from Delhi, from North India. Ankit Raj Goyal, city Delhi. Since 2023, he is being as a target individual. His age is 41 years. He is a software engineer and electronic engineer. He is also suffering with same technology victim. He is also, and also another person, Pradeep Arora. He is from Nagpur, Maharashtra, Nagpur. He and his interfamily was suffering with these technologies. He maintaining one YouTube channel also. That YouTube channel name is BBC News, which means Bharat Broadcasting News Channel. And Ganesh from Bangalore, and Reena sister from Kerala. All over India, lot of people are being target individuals. These governments and faced corrupted politicians, faced corrupted police department will together adding your names in International Terrorist Satellite Surveillance Act, FISA Act, 1969 Foreign International Surveillance Act, under FISA Act. We don't have any criminal background. Nobody never filed complaint against us. We are innocent common people in India. We had right to live as well as normal citizens how they are living. What we did, this is the target individual's life matter. We are suffering a lot. We lost everything. We lost our professions, everything. Homeless, workless, moneyless, hopeless. Actually, we are all giving information to all government higher authorities, but nothing. There is no use. Anyhow, however, we are fighting until when we get justice. There are a lot of people also I know, but they are not giving their details. So that's why, of course, if some other will give me their details also, I will also mention their names also. At the same time, they are also posting my videos in their profiles, in their Facebook profiles, and also YouTube channels also. We are not a normal people. We are fighting ourselves each and every second for living. This is about our target individuals' life and death issues, are some madams. Sir, we are being targeted. I am being targeted since in the 2000. We need justice. I need justice. We need justice. Please share it to all over the world, all target individuals also. Thank you.